Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Home security camera, and I'm going to show you how we can change the surveillance period. So at the first we have to enter the camera. After that, just select our device, click right here, tap on the settings and go for the home surveillance period. And for example, we can set up the 24-hour notifications. So click here, and after that we are going to record all of the surveillance things, and also the detect you will be able to find here. So for example, I can show you this one. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.